Hello. How you going there?
Oh, I'm pretty good. How are you?
Good. This is Tamar Wells. She's from Nelson. She's had a bit of a wayward career of life. Now she's settled at Seafood New Zealand. We love her.
This is Zak Olsen, too feral for the fishing boats. He's now here on land with us so we can keep an eye on him.
What are we going to make today? I have these exquisite little gangsters.
Oh yeah?
Look at these leather jackets. Aren't they cute? We're going to bake them sort of whole.
Yeah.
Cream, wine, herbs.
Sounds good.
Bread. Yum.
Delightful.
Delightful. These are the only gangsters that are still allowed to wear their jackets. Look at his little teeth.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that. These are delicious. They're often called cream fish leather jackets. Once again provided to us by Moana. This is beautifully sustainably caught fish and we love them.
Nice and cheap, nice and soft, light flavour, kind of lemony.
Lemony, creamy,
Yeah.
yum yum.
Yeah, they're great fish.
I'll smash up this onion and nice one. You can tell that I never went to culinary school or did anything really truly culinary.
Did you go to any school?
For a little bit.
Yeah.
But I dice
Oh, you
onion
do, yeah.
like a heathen.
You really do. So while you go fry those onions, you want me to get you some herbs chopped, herbs and garlic?
Herbaceous garlic, please.
All right, awesome. So a couple of cloves of garlic and we've just got thyme and rosemary. But you could kind of use what you want, eh? What you've got on hand.
I think it's more of a like, go out to your herb garden and rut around and see what sticks.
I'm always rutting around in the herb garden. That is literally what I did yesterday to get these bad boys. But what we got, some nice rosemary. But you could use like a nice oregano would be good, eh?
I think oregano would be yum. Thanks, Mum.
Yeah, but mostly we got a couple of types of thyme here. Thyme is my favourite herb. It's always on my side. Okay, I'm gonna come in with some just roughly chopped herbs. We're not precious here, are we, Zak?
Not precious at all. Bring them over.
Precious, all right. That's smelling great already. Amazing how just frying onions in a pan smells delicious.
This smells about 100 times better than me.
That's not hard.
I'm gonna smash some wine in there.
So how do you take a leather jacket's jacket off?
How do we skin a leather jacket? We've got a little spike here, owie. Spike here, owie. Like, you know, good kitty. Bad kitty. So, we grab them here and make sure we don't get that one. We just rip it back like that. And
that's pretty easy, eh?
That is so easy. And then we just pop his jacket off and we hand that over to the police because he's not allowed in anymore.
It's so easy.
And that's so easy. And look, like, you don't, like, we're not going to be precious with it. We're not going to clean him or anything. Like,
yeah.
we'll just pull the guts out there. You've got very little wastage here. Like, you know, there's no flesh in here. Look, that's just all skin, nothingness. And there's no meat in this head. So we're utilising, you know, every part of this fish that is edible here. And there we go like that. We'll just reduce our cream down a little bit and then we'll just add that in there.
The cream is ready to go on that.
Yum, yum.
I'm gonna chuck some tomatoes in the oven.
You are? Mm-hmm. How nice of you.
Alrighty, can these go in the oven now?
They would love to.
Beautiful, how long are they gonna take?
15, 20, not too long. If the oven's
easy.
on and hot.
Alright, serving. All we really need to do is have some nice, lovely bread to go with it. That's what we want. Soak up that cream. So easy and like a nice warming like dish for an autumn day, eh?
I think it's done.
You think it's done?
I think it's done.
Exciting. All right.
Should we look?
Yep. Oh, that cream's turned out lovely, eh? All right, we want a couple of
Look at these
lemon
bad boys
cheeks.
as well. Am I going to be able to lift them? Yep.
Oh,
Plop those over there.
so professional. Got some nice basil here to go with those tomatoes.
Yum.
This is good.
I'm really excited about this.
Perfect. Want some cream? Oh yeah, okay. I could just eat the lot.
Yum. Yum.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. I'm so happy right now.
Mm-hmm. Well, cheers.